If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified.
My baby is there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going downtown. We're gonna have dinner here with the kids, and this is downtown Toronto, just to let you know. Approaching the CN Tower right there, as you can see. CN Tower, and look at the buildings. It's very nice buildings here in Toronto. So stay tuned. Let's do this. I don't drive downtown. Either the boys will drive, or my daughter, or my husband will drive, but I'm not driving downtown. I don't know how to drive downtown Toronto. I find it so hard to drive because the streets are so narrow, and I am scared to drive. Look at that. It's so fast. It took us like 40 minutes to get to downtown from my house. So that's why the driving is a little bit, hard to go in there. But I don't know, my kids like to go downtown. City Center.
Oh, back there's my...
Okay, so we're gonna check out the ham. The sushi. Oh my gosh. People are lining up here. How long it's gonna take for us to get... Oh, this is my project. Oh, this is it. This is my project.
Go back. There, look.
Okay, sure, there.
Okay, so this one here. I don't know what's so good about this. I don't know what's so good about this hen. Ano?
Babe, you should walk.
Go walk a little bit.
Walk
Go.
Walk towards me,
Like, look down.
Definitely wrong.
Ano?
Like, hey guys.
Babe, you should walk.
Go walk a little bit. Go.
Walk towards me,
Like, look down.
Definitely wrong.
We're checking out this restaurant and let's see. Okay, so yes, it's busy. What's up with this the ham? They said it's good for. Okay, so
Other buildings over there.
oh yeah. Hello. Hey guys, look at these two. Finally, they're taking me here. Yeah, so we're going to that restaurant.
We tried to call and get reservation for this restaurant, and they didn't accept our call.
Anyway, guys, I'm so disappointed because they didn't let us in. They said it's done. We tried all the way here and then we're not gonna eat there. I'm so disappointed. Oh, it's okay. We'll get something else. Okay? Say hi, Arjan. Yeah, I'm hungry, so let's go. Anything will do. Maybe we'll go across the street and we get some pizza. Let's try this assembled pizza. Okay, let's go here.
Okay, we ended up going to this pizza restaurant. The way it was set up is you have to order your food and they don't bring it to you. You have to take it to your table. Here, John. Abby. Okay. So we're about to go and eat across the street from there, but it didn't happen. This restaurant's pretty cool. So they have some cafeteria here. There's a bar. You can order there and you can take your own drink. You pay first, of course. And then that's where they make the pizza there in the back. As you can see, it's pizza, fresh pizza. They'll make it there. See, you can see that they're making the dough and this is our pizza. I got the red hook and it's with the meat, veggies, and cheese along with the sauce. Janlei got the Lamborghini lamb. Okay, so I believe Arjun got the regular pepperoni and cheese. And Abby got something else. I don't remember what she got. I believe she got Mila Margarita because it tastes like basil and some other cheese in it. This is how the pizza place looks like. They have a little store here, the wine store. And this is how they make the pizza. As you can see, I took a little bit of the picture. And then there you can see how they make the pizza. I like their plants in there that's hanging. It looks so nice and elegant. This is a busy place. Okay, look at this. We finished our pizza because it's really good. It's really good. Everybody enjoyed their pizza. Even the last piece, I have to eat it. It's so good. Now my plate is empty and then I just used that forks and knives for cutting it. So there you go. Everybody enjoyed and we're full. I'm showing you the place. It's very elegant. It's so fancy. It's just a pizza parlor, right? You should try it. If you're here in Canada, just go to downtown and find this restaurant. Look at Janlei, he got a new shirt. Okay, so this is from outside. You can see. Janlei was saying this is how they cook the pizza. After our dinner, we decided to walk here in downtown. Just a little walk. Look, even you're walking and you're looking at the phone. He wants to take video here. But we're already gone. Anyway, just want to show you this. This crochet piece is $35. Oh my goodness, too small. I can make this. It's so pretty, but it's too expensive. Okay, we walk a little bit. I turn off the music because it's too loud. Look where you're going. Okay. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. What happened to the other two? You can't find them.
Have herbs.
Yeah.
Fat.
Are we still gonna go home? Okay. That's asking. Look at this building here in downtown. Oh. This is one of my project. The Greywood. What address is this? 360? Oh yeah. That's what it is. What happened? What happened there?
Give me a flashlight, please. Why are you taking video? Oh, hello.
Hello. What did we do?
So, we're here now at the parking lot. We just came back from General Assembly Pizza. We were supposed to go to the ham. Ham?
Yeah.
Yes, the ham. But we didn't end up going, unfortunately. But we had some pretty banging pizza. Yeah, we're just ending off the night. We're going on a nice drive, so stay tuned.
Thank you, Janle. Here's the menu. I got the house Negroni for my drink. It was really strong. Here are the menus for the pizza place that we went. It was really nice dinner. I ended up not paying for it. The boys paid for our dinner. It's really good to be a passenger. Look, I can take videos. You can see the CN Tower right there. So nice at nighttime. Well, Arjun is our driver tonight. And we get home safe. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.